Hello guys, today our lecture is we are as in the first lecture studying about Java. So today's lecture is also about Java. Today we are going to study taking in command line arguments. This program will take two arguments, hello world from the command prompt and print them to standard console. If you specify less than two arguments, an exception will be thrown. Public class two arguments app. Public static void main string arguments displays the first argument on console. System.out.println first argument plus argument 0. Display the second argument on console. System.out.println second argument plus argument 1. So passing any number of arguments, this program is able to receive any number of arguments and prints them to console. Using for loop in Java, arrays knows about their size by using length property. Public class any argument app, public static void main string arguments. For integer I is equal to 0, I less than argument dot length I plus plus. System.out.println argument plus I plus value plus argument I. So we are passing argument by this way in our code. Types of variable. There are three types of variable in Java: local variable, instance variable, non-static field, static variable. So local variables are a variable that is declared inside the method, constructors or block is called local variable. Local variables are created when the method, constructor or block is entered, and the variable will be destroyed once it exits the method, constructor or block. Access modifiers cannot be used for local variables. Local variables are visible only within the declared method, constructor or block. Local variables are implemented at stack level internally. There is no default value for local variables, so local variables should be declared and an initial value should be assigned before the first use. So the code is public class test public void argument integer age is equal to 0, age is equal to age plus 7, system.out.println age is plus age, public static void main string argument, and the test is equal to new test dot age. Instance variables are declared in a class, but outside a method, constructor or any block, space is allocated for an object in the heap, so slot for each instance variable is created. Instance variables are created when an object is created with the use of keyword new. They destroyed when the object is destroyed. Access modifier can be given for instance variable. The instance variable are visible for all methods, constructor and block in the class. Normally it is recommended to make these variables private. Instance variables have default values. For a number of default values is 0. For boolean it is false, and for object reference it is null. Instance variable can be accessed directly by calling the variable name inside the class. However, within the static method, the different when instance variables are given accessibility should be called using the full. So guys, this is the today lecture. Hope you find it helpful. Please like, compare, subscribe and share.